Hi, this is all natural coconut milk from Thailand. We offer both Chaokoh and Aroy brands, and we have 4 different fat content. And this is packed in a paper UHT carton. It's 100% pure. There's no guar gum, no preservatives. There's nothing else added to it. It's just a premium coconut milk product. This is Chaokoh. There is 12 grams of fat per 1/3 cup. This is 14 grams of fat per 1/3 cup. This is, it's called coconut cream, but it's identical to coconut milk as you see. It pours out and it looks the same, but it has higher fat content. This is 16 grams of fat per 1/3 cup. And this premium quality Chaokoh, which is really the highest and the best, is 18 grams of fat per 1/3 cup. They come in the 33-ounce box as well as these 8.5-ounce boxes, with the exception of the Aroy brand coconut cream. It only comes in the big box. This is the way to open it up, and you just squeeze it like that, and we'll cut the top off. The 2 brands are nearly identical. They both come from Thailand. People have a preference for the one brand over the other, although we think it's fairly similar. But the freshness, they only have a 1-year expiration date with the all-natural coconut milk, so fresher is usually better. So there's the Chaokoh brand. It looks just great. There'll be some chunks of the coconut in there. It looks and smells wonderful. Here is the Aroy brand. Give that a shake. If your coconut milk separates in the box as well and you can feel there's some kind of hardness, you can put it in warm water to raise the temperature. That will usually prevent it. You can get it out of the box easier. There's Aroy. Very similar. There's less chunks in the box. Seems to be a little bit more smooth, but whether or not that makes a difference when you're cooking, I doubt it. This seems to be a little bit creamier, although the fat content is stated as being less. Okay, next up will be the Aroy cream, which is 16 grams of fat per 1/3 cup. That's just stated on the box. Cut that open. This doesn't come in the small boxes. You can see it does appear thicker. Oops. Looks like we don't have a jar big enough to take it all. Very similar in color and appearance to the Aroy milk. It just has higher fat content. Oops, we lost our spoon there. And this is the Chaokoh product. It's called cream. It has 18 grams of fat per 1/3 cup. This is all available at importfood.com. Yeah, you can see that's a lot thicker. But as you cook with it, those chunks dissolve, and this is just a rich. Probably going to taste better when it has such high fat content. This is the Chaokoh, 12 grams of fat per 1/3 cup, and this is the Chaokoh. It took a few seconds to stir that out. There were some chunks as it came out of the box. Again, as it heats up, those chunks disappear. This is very creamy. This is 18 grams of fat per 1/3 cup. It's just a wonderful, rich. The fragrance is very nice, very aromatic. That's Chaokoh brand. Here's Aroy coconut milk. It's almost like there's a little bit of oil on the top layer. It's just very strangely just perfectly smooth. No separation at all. Not quite sure how they do that, but it is very smooth. Also has a very nice aroma. That was the Aroy 14%, that's the milk, and then this is the Aroide 16% cream. You can see slight separation in that, and a very nice appearance.